5 examples of businesses that take full advantage of the sharing economy. The sharing economy describes a move away from money and back to the free trade of services and products. Once upon a time, before money existed, we would bargain with other people for goods and services by offering things that we could do or offer in exchange for things that they could do or offer. Need someone to chop down a tree? Then offer to cut their hair or give them some of your eggs. Then money came along and was used as a way to represent value. This could be traded for goods and services in lieu of providing goods and services back, thereby making transactions much simpler and easier. But at the same time, money also created many of the problems we see today, and you don't need me to tell you what those are. Fortunately, technology is giving us a way to take matters back into our own hands. Technology is perfect for facilitating transactions that don't need money, and hence we are seeing the free trade of goods and services once again. Businesses take full advantage of this and are among the most innovative and successful on the planet right now. In this presentation, we will consider some examples. 1. Uber. Let's start with one of the most high-profile sharing economy businesses out there. Uber is a company that seeks to remove the need for taxis and public transport by letting anyone offer lifts for a small fee. The result is that the costs are much lower, and rides are always available, and it has taken off to the extent that it is actually threatening the taxi industry. 2. Shpock. Shpock is an app that acts like a yard sale. Got something you don't want? Take a photo and upload it to Shpock to sell it back within your local area. 3. Freecycle. Freecycle takes the idea of Shpock one step further by encouraging its users to give away things that they don't need anymore, but would otherwise have to pay to dispose of. 4. AirBnB. AirBnB is Uber for accommodation, allowing anyone to offer up a room, outbuilding, or attic as a place for people to stay. This is not only changing the face of the hotel industry, but even the property market. 5. Couchsurfer. Couchsurfer is to Airbnb what Freecycle is to Uber, essentially getting people to offer accommodation for free. By letting people crash on your couch, you win goodwill to crash on the couches of other people, and thereby get a free place to stay wherever you are in the world.